फ्रेंड्स शुरू करते हैं। आज हमारा यूनिट है टाइम एंड डिस्टेंस, और टाइप 1 जो हमने डिस्कस करनी है वो इंक्लूड करेगी एवरेज वेलोसिटी के क्वेश्चंस। एवरेज वेलोसिटी के क्वेश्चंस हमने पहले भी पढ़े हुए हैं। आपको पता है एवरेज वेलोसिटी इज़ टोटल डिस्टेंस अपॉन टोटल टाइम। सो ये हमें पता है। तो अगर हाफ डिस्टेंस के लिए u वेलोसिटी हो, हाफ डिस्टेंस के लिए v हो, तो हम कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं एवरेज वेलोसिटी इज़ टोटल डिस्टेंस विच इज़ d डिवाइडेड बाय टोटल टाइम। So time is not available to us. We know velocity is equal to distance upon time, which implies that time is equal to distance by velocity. So for the case 1, the time 1 will be d by 2 by u, which is equal to d by 2u. And for second part, time 2 is equal to d by 2 by v, which is d by 2v. So while calculating this, we can put the values. d by 2u plus d by 2v, d by 2 common, 1 by u plus 1 by v, dd cancels and it becomes 2uv upon u plus v. So it becomes your first formula. For other things you can calculate second type. For second type, which is if the distance is covered, the total distance is divided into 3 equal parts. Suppose d by 3, d by 3, d by 3 with different velocities u and w. You can calculate similarly the way you have calculated in the last question. Average velocity is d divided by d by 3u plus d by 3v plus d by 3w, and it will ultimately become 3uvw upon uv plus vw plus wu. So it is another formula. You have another formula when for time t1 you have the velocity u, and for time t2 you have the velocity v. So as the distance is not known, you know velocity is equal to distance upon time. So you can write distance is equal to velocity into time. So this distance will become velocity u into t1, and this distance will become velocity v into t2. Average velocity is equal to total distance upon total time. So it will be t1u plus t2v upon t1 plus t2. So it is another formula. The last formula is when you have the velocities for equal time. For t you have u velocity, for t you have v velocity. So it is the formula d. So average velocity will become tu plus tv upon t plus t. So it will become t common u plus v upon 2t. dt will cancel, u plus v by 2. So it will become the average velocity when they move for equal time. So let's revise whole of the things again. When the object is moving with velocities, different velocities on equal distances, two equal distances, and the average velocity become 2uv upon u plus v. When the object is moving with equal distances having 3 different velocities, then it will become 3uv upon uv plus vw plus wu. When the object is moving for equal times, then it will become t1u plus t2v upon t1 plus t2. When the time is given to be equal, when they have different time, then this is the formula. When their time is equal, then it will be u plus v by 2. So be very specific in putting the formulas. The type 1 is basically only on this formula. So let's start with the questions one by one. We'll start discussing the questions now. Thank you.